guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. Today I'd like to share an idea of upcycling your empty packaging materials. I don't know about you, but I order a lot more stuff online since all of the lockdown measures. So my shopping is mostly online nowadays. So I, of course, automatically receive lots of chipboard packaging, boxes and the like. Now, of course, you can throw these out, and you can even throw these out in the recycling stations or the upcycle stations that your town may offer. But you can also use them for some craft projects. Now, I am going to show you some ideas that I have for storage, because they are already boxes, well, most of them that I'm going to show. So that is when you go from this to this, or somewhat smaller to this. So this is a small box, and I just cut off the lid flaps and well, store some craft items in it. You can go from small to large. So this is what I made from a shoe box. So this box actually held some shoes. And well, this box holds craft items, as you can see, but you can also store, of course, other things in them. For instance, your makeup items. So these are my lipsticks. And again, I cut off the lid flaps, and I will show you some how-to pictures right now, so you can see the steps that I took to create this. And last but not least, and this is not made from a box, but actually from empty toilet paper rolls, and I created this. Now this holds my eyeliners and my lip liners, but yours can of course also hold your brushes for your paintings, or pencils to draw, or well, whatever crafty materials that you'd like to store in these. And you can see that I cut some of these rolls, so to play with the height. Now I am going to do a little video tutorial to show you the steps that I took to create this. Alright guys, and those were my storage ideas, so you don't have to throw out any of the packaging that you receive when you shop online. You can recycle them, upcycle them, make your own storage trays, and use them for everything that you can think of. I use mine for craft supplies and makeup, but you can think of a lot of other things, I'm sure. So if you like this idea, press the like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye!